Looking for ways to speed up the amount of time it takes to upload products on Shopify by using their new AI functionality? If so, stay tuned and I'll show you how. To begin, I'm going to get started from my Shopify homepage and I'm going to navigate to the products section. I'm going to click on this products tab. And from there, I'm going to click on the add product button just like I would any other product. And once this product page loads, I'm going to go ahead and upload the photos of my product. I've already got this dress handy, these 3 images. I'm going to go ahead and upload them. And once they load, I'm going to go ahead and give this product a title. I'm going to name it. I'm just going to make this up. And next, I'm too lazy to write my own description of the product. So thank God Shopify came out with this new AI functionality. I'm going to click this auto write button and I just need to give Shopify a couple of keywords about the product. I'm too lazy to come up with my own keywords. So I'm going to copy and paste in the keywords I pulled from the product description on the wholesale page. It says floral print dress with puff sleeve, and then it talks about the material. So next I click auto write and it's going to generate a product description for me. And here we go. The Daisy Girl dress is a fashionable and functional choice for any occasion. The dress is tailored from a blend of 70% self cotton and 30% rayon, lined with 100% cotton for a comfortable fit. The floral print and puff sleeve add a stylish details. So maybe I don't like the tone of this. If I don't really like the tone of it, I can change the tone. So I'm going to click on this tone button and I'm going to go down and I'm going to select the playful button because I want my tone to be more playful in this product description. So I click the rewrite button and it's going to generate a new product description for me. Say hello to the Daisy Girl dress. With a whimsical floral print and darling puff sleeves, this dress will have you feeling like an absolute flower child. A mix of cotton and rayon with a cotton lining, it's the garden fresh comfort you need. So it generated a new product description for me. If I still don't like it, I can click the rewrite button again and see what else it'll come up for me. So you can see that it pulls in the keywords and it still talks about the materials of the product, but it makes it more playful and creates a product description out of it. So you can read them on your own, figure out which one you like. You can change the tone as many times as you want. They've got more serious tones, but once you're done, you can click the keep button and you're all set. Shopify generated a product description for you and you would just go ahead and finish filling out the rest of the details about the product. You can add all of the price and other product categories, information, and that's it. It's that simple. Shopify will now generate your product descriptions for you based off of a few keywords. And those are the keywords that I pulled directly from the wholesale vendor that I purchased this item from. So it's that simple. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions or if there are any other Shopify tutorials you guys would like me to create a video about. I'm happy to help teach you guys whatever you guys are interested in learning about. And with that, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you guys next time.